everyone and welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell, the UK couldn't help keeping the sun up, so now it's raining again. It's currently, how do I tell? It's currently 12:40. So as it was raining all night last night and it's raining all day today, Molly's usually out at night and she did go out at night, but a lot of people brought their horses in who live out 24/7 at the minute, but because it was raining all night and all day today, they kept them in last night, if that makes sense. So I got a friend to bring Molly in so I didn't have to go up so early. So she's currently in. She's probably been in since 7:30 and it's currently 12:40. So I'm gonna go up, give her a groom, give her her dinner, and then I'm gonna sadly chuck her back out in this gorgeous rain. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Not loads. I might pop to the shop, but I thought I'd just vlog it today, as I haven't done a vlog in quite a while. I say that, it's been like a week, but you know. No. You've been lying down. Doesn't look it. Why aren't you lying down? For a good groom, and then I'm going to turn her out. Come here. Come here. What's wrong? What's up? Not happy. It's raining. Her coat is looking so nice at this time of year. Usually it's quite crusty from the sweet itch, but we're doing quite well. And now I've just got to put some cream on the sore bits of her face where she scratches. And I don't know if you can see, but up here and there, especially in this bit. Hang on. Can you see that? There, she likes to scratch. She doesn't like this cream, do ya? She hates me. Look silly. Do you look silly with all this treatment on? Especially that ear. This is the ear that worries me. Let me see your ear there. Okay, you're embarrassed. Disgusting. I'm going to feed her and turn her out and then I can sort the rest, but I've kind of put the good stuff up here and then it's just this bit to do, and then I'm going to chuck some water on there, not loads because it's cold, but just a bit there to kind of pick it up a bit better. But you're disgusting. Disgusting. forgot to actually make the feeds, and I've made her all excited. Yeah, just got to clean these out and then I will feed her. She is having her dinner quite early. It's like 2, but I'm just going to chuck her out because it's slightly raining, but she'll be fine. I'm going to chuck her out naked, I think. So yeah, let's chuck you here. That's her dinner. I'm just letting it sit for a minute to swell up a bit. I made it a bit watery. That's her breakfast for tomorrow. Going on a hike tomorrow. Yeah, we are. Just eating, and then I'll chuck her out. Gonna chuck her out naked, I think. Then I just have to clean up that pile. We'll say some on. Too watery, I think. And I have to do that. She also is coming in quite early because I'm riding her quite early in the morning tomorrow, so I'll probably be getting to the yard like at 7. In like 5 minutes and she's licking it clean. And if the foot's in there, she's done. Do you want to go outside? Your foot's in it, Bubs. Your foot's in it. You done? Bubs, come on. Can we go outside? You want to go out to play? Wait. Someone's a bit fizzy. Slow and steady, Eagles. Good girl. Oh, grass. All that for nothing. Don't worry about her because, like, she is clipped, but it's basically a summer coat now. So, and it's not like chucking it down. It's just light rain, but it's going to be light rain for a couple hours. That's the only thing. But it's fine. I'm just telling myself she's a native. She can deal with that. But she'll be fine. That's what I'm telling myself. She'll be fine. I just hate knowing that they're out in the rain. I know that they're meant to be like that, but I don't like it still. I don't have to like it. A little before. Oh, I'll feel that tomorrow. That's all clean. And yeah. Just need to lock the door. Perfect. Right, I am all done at the yard. I was going to organise like my box and my drawers and all of that jibber jabber, but you know what? I can't be bothered. That stable killed me. Trying to scrub that floor. She is disgusting. Hey everyone. So currently I am just putting my bed down and I am going to put a new bail in. I have to be quiet because there's people here. And I turned her out because my plan was to hack her earlier in the morning, which didn't go to plan. So it's around 9:30, almost 10. And every time I turn her out early and bring her in a bit later, that's her done. This is why she comes in, because she is flat out on the floor right now. But I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm just glad that she feels confident enough to lie down with the new herd. I say herd, 2 other horses. In the weather at the minute because it's so cool and it keeps raining every now and then. Turn her out completely naked, no fly mask, no nothing, and she seems so happy in this weather. Even though I was freaking out turning her out naked, probably feels a lot more nicer for her. Hello. Good morning. You gonna get up? What are you doing? Hello. Hello, Miss Pretty. Have you loved it? Being out naked? You gonna get up? I have such a struggle getting her up. It's not even funny. Hello there. You gotta be worked, miss. You need to have a hack. Go on, hack. You're gonna be well rested for me, aren't you? You're gonna get up. Come on. Let's go. Excuse you. Come on, up you get. Moles, please. Come on. Oh, don't make me head collar you. Hello, acknowledge me. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Hashtag unbothered. Come on. Come on, up. Oh, good girl. Come on. Move it. No. Come on. Come on. Molly. Come on, I know it's effort to get up. It's my always one struggle. Can never get her up from snoozing. Come on. Molly. Bruv. What you doing? How to get your horse out. I've been here for like 5 minutes. Come on. Come on, up you come. Come on. I'm so tempted to sit on her, but no, I'm not. I'll snap her. Come on. Come on, Moles. I don't want to pull your face, but you're giving me no. Come on. What about this way? Come on. Come on. I'll go against you. That might get you up. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Come on, Molly. Come on. Come on. Molly, at least I can see what your feet are like. Bit muddy in there. What about that toe? Bit muddy in there. Come on. Molly, come on. Can we get up, please? Yeah, we're up. We're going to stretch. Go on, do it. Oh, we're itchy now. I love it when she stretches. It's like the cutest thing ever. She always like, go on, do it. You gonna stretch? Come on then. You gonna stretch? Oh, she's thinking about it. You itchy bubs. Come on. What are we doing? Come on. Have your legs gone dead? Your leg's dead. Come on. She might stretch. Oh, she's not going to do it. Oh. Oh. Can't tell if you're just taking the mick now, bubs. Come on. Come on. Molly. Brev, walk on. Walk on. Oh, you're so pretty. Look at that. And guys, look at her tail. Look at it. It's going bald. Moles. You're going bald. I'm trying to film, but every time I pick up my camera, she stops. We're just going the route that she's been before, just like the other way around. Oh, we're pulling one moment. So far so good. I haven't got my GoPro today, but she is. You can have a bit. There we go. Right, go on, walk on. But yeah, just confidence building really. Slow and steady wins the race. Can walk on. But it's the fact that when she stops, she walks on, which is the best thing ever, because every time when I used to stop, that was it, she's going home. So far, so good. I will update you guys when I'm a bit more out the yard. Well, I'm not in high vis because this is like off-road hacking for the yard, so you don't actually need a high vis. One canter so far, and we've gone around a whole field. So far, so good. Nice and controlled. I have put her bit down one, just because I was sick of battling with her mouth, and like I feel bad because when I ask her to canter, I'm just pulling her while she's cantering, and I just feel like it's not nice. So I put it down once, and she's been good as gold with it on. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys as soon as it's getting nice. In a picture on Equilab for you guys to see how much we did, but she is being a star. An absolute star. She might be a bit spooky at the machinery, but I am so proud of her. Honestly, best hack we've had here, and considering how windy it is, I don't know if you can tell, but honestly, best pony ever. She's really starting to mature now, she is. Just this move has been a game changer. Articles, bit boggy here though. Oh, boggy. The ground was perfect in some areas, which was nice as well. So good. On our way home, we were hacking for like half an hour, which is not bad. I'm really excited for the clear round to get her out jumping again. She did just have a spook. She hates the sound of running water where she can't see where it's running. So her whole body died on her. I don't know why she hates it. She just doesn't know. But these stones are not good for your little feeties. You got it, girl. Come on. Good girl. I love her attitude to work. She's so willing today. I might be speaking soon and then she'll be naughty the next one, but I don't even care. Some stuff to her ear just to soothe it. I'll have your dinner in a minute. She eats and I wait to make the 2 feeds. I'm going to give this a bit of an organise because, as you can see, this is my life right now. Let's get things out. She's wearing this tonight. And then the hat. Press the fly mask. Another fly mask. This can hang up. This is for the fly rug. Oh goodness. Monkey carrots. More monkey carrots. Do this. This can go back in here. This can go back in here. And then I think that should be it. Now watch me struggle to get this to here. And now feed time. Ta-da. I just need to put water and mix them, and then that one's for tonight, and then that one's for tomorrow. Better. Then she'll go for a snooze. And then this will be going on tonight. We'll just leave this here. Then I'll put this in the bin. Now, foot rested. She'll be like this, but her weight is looking so good at the minute, so I'm very happy with her. And then I'm working tonight, so my friend will put that on her and chuck her out for me and give her dinner. She's got this hay. This usually lasts her. She doesn't usually touch hay when she's in. She's got a bit on the floor as well. So yeah, that's Molly done. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my video and this style of video by putting 2 days worth into one to make it a bit longer. And make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.